Do now.
You go buy some receipt.
That's up for receipt.
Record the video anyhow. Please don't mind this man. Photographer. I understand that. Always distracted.
So much money now you get for
Of course, I'm
solar light, so all na China. And Nigeria they buy solar light back to back. All the cables so all na China they go for. So that one good, but all the good na the money where they.
waiting there.
Yes, so they no say for any wahala for Nigeria. Every show polo I not get. You go for that company. You don't want anybody. You know, yes. The things don't work. Somebody not say, get money now. What are they pay dollars? I mean, I use money to it. If you watch that movie, you see the guy is much more than. I come to get money to know. I come to get drivers. That's why I stay with it. I come to the trade. Everything. I come to the need. In salary, I just money. I don't see where it's going. Many of you go ahead. Yes, I did. That's
Alright, we're done fixing the sensor. This is the sachet of the sensor. It's a brand new sensor. So let's see if it is working. Focus on the aeroplane. Focus on the aeroplane. Let them see it. So this is the aeroplane. So for the noise, it's the aeroplane. So it's working perfectly now. So what we do? Okay, let's go to special function. If there is any crankshaft position sensor, I don't think there's anything like that. Auto detected configuration reset adaptive value. What do you mean by that? The engine should be off. Okay. I think adaptive value has to do with combustion. Okay, adaptive value should have everything to do with the combustion process. Okay, the ignition switch is in on position now.